now.
Good morning, students, class 10th. This is your physics period. Today I will define electric current. First of all, you must know the meaning of the current. Current means when something flow. For example, if the river flows, we say that river current. Exactly in the same way, when charges flow, we say that the electric current. So electric current we define as the rate of flow of electric charges. Suppose Q charges flow through a conductor in time t, then current is equal to Q by T. Total charge flowing through any cross-sectional area of the conductor, Q is equal to NE, so I is equal to NE by T. Current is a scalar quantity. Charges are measured in coulomb, time is measured in seconds, so its SI unit is coulomb per second, which is equal to the ampere. Electric current is measured by a device known as ammeter. Ammeter is always connected in series in the circuit. A good ammeter has as low as possible resistance. Electric current flows from positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell, while the electrons flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the cell. This is the convention of the electric current, that the current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Now, next topic is the electric circuit. Electric circuit is a continuous closed path for electric current containing cell, battery, or any other device utilizing the electric energy, maybe bulb, maybe tube, maybe radio, or any other device. A circuit through which no current flows is known as the open circuit. In the figure 1, you see no dot is there in the key. It means the circuit is open. Switch is off. This is the meaning. When we switch on, we put a dot. It means circuit is closed and the current flows through the circuit. See page number 2. Now we will solve some numerical problems based on this formula which we have already discussed. Question number 1. Calculate the current in a circuit if 500 coulomb of charge passes through it in 5 minutes. First of all, you write the parameters. Q is equal to 500 coulomb. Time is 5 minutes. You have to convert it into seconds. Now I is equal to Q by T means 1.66 ampere current flows in the circuit. Question number 2. An electric bulb draws a current of 0.2 ampere when the voltage is 220 volt. Calculate the amount of electric charge flowing through it in 1 hour. Here I is given to you, time is given to you. You have to find out the charge. Formula is I is equal to Q by T. Now you can easily solve, you will get the answer. Question number 3. 10 to the power 20 electrons, each having charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, pass from a point A towards another point B in 0.1 second. Calculate the current in amperes. Here N is given to you, E is given to you, and formula Q is equal to NE. So again I is equal to Q by T. You put in place of Q NE and you will get the answer. Now 2 questions are given for your homework. Thank you very much and have a nice day.